Hi, there is a question. In this, I need to solve this equation for x. This is 85x minus 0.15 equal to 122.50. Now, to solve this equation, I have to just make sure that only terms containing x remains to the left side. So I have to add 0.15 to both the sides. 85x minus 0.15 plus 0.15 equal to 120.50 plus 0.15. Okay. These two would become equal to 0. Now 85x will be equal to 122.65. Now